You are going to love the 2020 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, power moonroof, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Come take a test drive today.